Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade ice cream. All you need is milk or half and half, vanilla, sugar, salt, ice, a small Ziploc bag, and a large Ziploc bag. In your small Ziploc bag, you want 1 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Once everything's in the bag, you're going to want to seal it. Make sure there's no air in the bag. Very, very carefully. And make sure it is sealed all the way or you're going to make a giant mess later. Now in the big bag, you want 1/3 of a cup of salt. And then you're going to put your ice in. The recipe calls for 3 cups of ice, but from experience, I've learned that's better to put in more ice, so I usually put in 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're going to put the small Ziploc bag into the big Ziploc bag. You're going to seal this. Make sure there's no air on the inside. And then it's sealed properly. Now the fun part. Now you're going to shake it as hard as you can for 7 to 10 minutes straight. This is going to make your ice cream become a solid. You can check it by poking the milk and seeing if it's becoming a solid. This is the great time to put on some music and just have a little dance party or while you're watching TV. Your hands are gonna get cold, but just keep doing it. But eventually, you're going to have your own homemade ice cream. Delicious. I hope you had fun and I'll see you next time.